Hey guys, Andrew here at Veurink's RV in Grand Rapids, the best two-part state, Michigan. Here today we're going to talk about Aspen Trail, made by Dutchmen, the 3280 BHS. Let's get right into it. So this is a camper that's weighing just under 7,000 pounds. It's a very family-friendly, very ultra-modern looking camper. Love what they've done with the new exterior, not that swashy 90s look anymore. Straight lines, just beautiful looking overall. So up front here we have a finished giant pass-through storage. That's going to be great. You can get your big camping folding chairs, your grill, everything you need to get up in there. Moving on back here, we've got a really big awning, which is very nice. You can get a full picnic table under this, bring the party outside, couple speakers that actually light up, and you've got your LED strip there. You also have the new solid steps that fold down right out of the door. So very easy setup, put it in, shut the door. When you get to your campsite, go ahead and just pull them right back out and you're ready to go in and out. It's also going to stop the whole camper from rocking when the kids are running back and forth or anybody getting in and out. Last but not least, outside, love to talk about the outside kitchen. They're making it a lot more modern looking. These brand new Capital grills, I really like the look of them. And they also, my favorite part is they're giving you an outside shower right around the corner. So you can actually use that hose, wash off dishes, kind of take care of anything you need to. Fill Fido's bowl, those type of things. So moving on to the inside. Now guys, this is probably the most modern looking camper we have on the lot. If you like Chip and Joe, Magnolia Homes look, you're gonna love this. Come on inside. As you enter this ultra modern looking kind of nod to Magnolia Homes interior, first thing you notice is this beautiful shiplap entertainment center. And as you look around, you have the gray cabinetry with a beige interior, just very good looking with the Carrara marble looking countertops. Everything just kind of meshes together and makes it look very much like a home in here. Very modern. And behind here, you actually have a beautiful hidden pantry. Easy open, easy close. Over here you have a jackknife sofa with a ton of storage underneath. Always something that was kind of lacking. As we come over into the dinette, it is a huge U-shaped dinette. This is something that you can put down and actually have two adult friends stay with you if need be. Which with this big bunkhouse, they might bring their kids, you have your kids, and you can have a nice family camping experience. In the kitchen, you have this great looking farmhouse sink, lots of counter space, and this very modern looking backsplash. They also did a great job with the height of the cabinets here and also with the panels on the front. Like I said before, very modern looking. In this very spacious bunkhouse, there's an amazing thing that I want to point out to everybody. With these futon chairs, they are able to be taken completely out. So if you wanted to put a baby crib or a pack and play back here, if you have real little youngsters, it is a great place to put them. Even with adult children, you have an upper bunk, and then you also have two bunks on the side, and it comes with a small entertainment area, which just rounds this bunkhouse out to make it the perfect complement to any large family. In the bathroom, you're gonna find a very nice shower tub combo, which is good for washing kids and the dog. The great part of this travel trailer is that you get a nice separation from kids and parents, and you have this huge bedroom. I love the giant sliding door, and it makes way for a very nice light, open, airy, residential queen size bed. You have some reading lights underneath, you have your mirrors on both sides, and some storage underneath. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on the Dutchmen Aspen Trail 3280 BHS. it's going to be a very popular RV this year. If you guys want to see it in person, or you'd like some additional information, or even another video that's a little more in depth, feel free, give me a call. My number's listed below. I'm Andrew at Veurink's RV. Thanks for checking us out.